Question number 20, exercise 7.1 from NCERT book for class 12 math. This question has the solution which is written keeping in mind the board exam. So whatever the solution is given here, you will be getting the solution which can be written absolutely step by step. Now, question is integration of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx. So let's start with left. I is equal to integration of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx. Now here you find that there are two terms in the numerator. In the numerator has 2 minus 3 sin x. So 2 is the first term and 3 sin x is the next term. Denominator has only one term, that is cos square x. So we can split these two terms separately. So let's do that. So what we here is I is equal to integration of 2 upon cos square x minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. 2 upon cos square x is this and 3 sin x upon cos square x is second term. Now you know that 2 upon cos square x can be written as 2 into 1 upon cos square x, and 3 sin x upon cos square x, which can be written as 3 into sin x upon cos square x. Now 1 upon cos square x is what? 1 upon cos x is what? 1 upon cos x is sec x. Okay, that is the using the trigonometric identities. 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x, because 1 upon cos x is sec x. And similarly sin x upon cos square x, sin x upon cos square x can be written as tan x sec x. How this is tan x sec x? This is because sin x upon cos x is equal to sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x. Sin x upon cos x is tan x and 1 upon cos x is sec x. So tan x sec x. Now we replace these two things, these two terms into this equation. So what the equation gives? The equation will be I is equal to integration of 2 sec square x minus 3 sec x tan x dx, because we have substituted sin x upon cos square x with sec x tan x, and we substitute 1 upon cos square x with sec square x. So this equation is I is equal to integration of 2 sec square x minus 3 sec x tan x dx. Now how do we integrate this function? This is a function. Okay, now this function, how do you integrate it? Use the linearity property of integration. What does the linearity property of integration say? That if the two terms are like this, let's see first how we apply this. So once we apply linearity property, so what we get is this 2 comes out of this integration sign, then integration, what is left is integration of sec square x dx. Then you separate the another integration, that is 3 sec x, integration of 3 sec x tan x. So 3 comes out of the integration sign and sec x and integration of sec x tan x dx. What does the linearity property says exactly? The linearity property says integration of cfx plus gx dx is equal to c integration of fx dx plus integration of gx dx. What is c? C is a constant. Here the constant is 2 and 3. So c constant can come out of the integration sign. So here 2 has come out of the integration sign. Similarly here 3 which has come out of the integration sign. and then fx here is sec square x and gx is sec x tan x. So sec square x can be written here integration of sec square x dx, and here sec x tan x is come out integration of sec x tan x dx, that is integration of gx dx. So I is equal to 2 integration sec square x dx minus 3 integration of sec x tan x dx, that is using the linearity property. Now integration of sec square x dx can be used by the standard formula. So standard formula says integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x, and again the integration of sec x tan x is given as sec x. So integration of sec square x dx is tan x, integration of sec x tan x is sec x. This you can find out in the standard derivative and integrals table. So here is the table where these are the derivatives and these are the integrals. So any function here, if you find, so for example derivative sine of x is cos x. So integration is what? Antiderivative of a function. So here the antiderivative of cos x, the sin x is what? That is cos x. So cos x is antiderivative of cos x is sin x. So similarly sec x tan x is here, you find sec x tan x here, sec x tan x integration is sec x plus c. So here replace sec x tan x integration of sec x tan x dx as sec x. Similarly integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan of x plus c, that we have seen already here. Integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x. So now substituting these values of sec square x here and sec x tan x here, so what you get is, you get I is equal to 2 into tan x minus 3 into sec x and plus c, because this is an indefinite integral, so there is a constant added in the equation. So the final answer will be what? The final answer is integration of 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx is equal to 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. So this is the final answer.